You're in the mix with Flavour Network Canada.
It's officially barbecue season. The backyard is open, the grill is fired up. So I've brought along Sara Lynn Cauchon, the domestic geek herself, to show us what we got going on the grill.
Okay, Roger, I love flank steak. It's so easy to cook, especially when you've got some great flavors to pair it with. Today, I'm using my VH honey garlic marinade. I love that it seeps in this intense flavor that just mellows out with the sweet.
Yeah, and marinating tougher cuts of meat like this helps to tenderize it. And as you can see, you get that caramelization from the honey. It adds a lot of flavor.
So good.
You know what else I like to put on the grill? Vegetables and fruit. I love vegetables and fruit.
Couldn't agree more. That's why I'm gonna add some pineapple and bell pepper to the grill with my chicken thighs. I love glazing it up with some VH sweet and sour sauce.
Oh, that's good.
Add like a really tangy flavor, totally irresistible in a summer salad.
Yeah, when the chicken starts to drip some of that fat and you get that smoke come up, you know you've hit the mark of summer officially.
It's the best.
All right, some steak and veggies.
Bon appetit, everyone.
Oh, thank you so much, Sara Lynn, for this beautiful spread. And cheers to a barbecue season ahead.
Oh, cheers.
And thank you for joining us for In the Mix with Flavour Network Canada.
Presented in part by VH Sauces.